Hello my friend, Evan Scoresby here with howtowithevan.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to track clicks and conversions to your capture page. Alright, but before we get into that, I just want to go over my number one rule of doing business online is never promote a link online if it cannot be tracked first. Right? Never promote a link if it cannot be tracked first. And so if you are doing an online business of any kind and you are promoting different websites and links out there, and you're just promoting those links directly, you're really doing yourself a disservice in your business because you're not going to know exactly where that traffic and those clicks and those visitors are coming from, and you won't be able to see how many are converting into a lead or a sale. So that's really the purpose of the video today, is to show you how this is set up and how it's done. Because if you don't know your numbers, you don't know your business. All right, you really need to know your numbers because it all starts with knowing where clicks are coming from and how many of those clicks or visitors actually turn into a lead or even a sale, right? So this is the bare minimum that you should set up in your business, bare minimum, all right? And so before we actually show you how to actually set up the conversion tracking and to be able to do this, there is a little bit of information I'd like to go over and just provide some education to help you in your business to understand exactly how this works and where it's coming from, okay? So a few pieces of the profit cycle plan, okay? And so there is this profit cycle out there, and we talk about this in some other videos. And so this profit cycle plan, part of this piece includes what's called a capture page. This is also referred to as a squeeze page, could be an opt-in page, a landing page, but it's a website that you're directing traffic to where you are promoting something or giving away something, but that's where people are going for these different traffic sources, right? Then we also have what's called a thank you page. So after somebody goes through a capture page, they usually end up on what's called a thank you page to get the information that you are promoting. And so in this video, we're going to first track the number of visitors to our capture page, to our website, and second, track how many people make it to the thank you page, okay? But before we do that, it all begins with traffic, right? So there's lots of different traffic sources out there online. This is where tracking begins, is with all these people on the internet trying to find different information. And so we're going to lead that traffic to our capture page. And this traffic could come from multiple different sources. It could be coming from Facebook. It could be coming from YouTube. PPC search, which is pay-per-click search, which is also known as like Google ads or Bing ads. Could also be like solo ads, which are email advertisements, but it also could include any other social media, basically all external traffic sources out there, okay? So it all begins here. So each traffic source, each campaign has a unique tracking link that you're going to set up to begin to track how many of these visitors, these clicks, come from each of these sources that go to your capture page. And so when they visit your capture page, they're going to have a form where they can opt in, right? This is where they put in their email address and they hit submit. And then when they hit submit, one of two things happens. First, they're going to be put onto your email list. We're not going to be discussing more about that, but that's just one thing that happens. The second thing that happens is that they get redirected to the thank you page. And this is where the conversion happens. When somebody puts in their email address and hits submit, that tracks the conversion when they land on the thank you page. And what makes this possible is what's called a conversion tracking pixel. Okay, we need a conversion tracking pixel to be able to track here from the very beginning, from the specific traffic source, how many clicks are coming from each source to the capture page and then converting into a lead, right? So what makes tracking this information possible? And so we need some type of online link tracking software. There's lots of different tracking softwares out there on the internet, anywhere from free softwares out there that you can use to paid sources out there. Okay, my number one preferred software that I use personally in my business and have for years and years is called ClickMagick. Okay, you may have heard of it. It's a great resource. In fact, it's probably the most well-known one out there, and most internet marketers are using ClickMagick. And so if you want to check it out yourself, if you're not using it right now, you can check out and get a 14-day free trial at this website called CM for clickmagick.howtowithevan.com. Okay, so I'm going to be demonstrating with ClickMagick, but regardless of what link tracking software that you're using, you should be able to set up something similar to be able to put this in place to be able to track these clicks and conversions. Okay, but if you want to give ClickMagick a test run, go to that link. It's in the description below. And it just, again, for full disclosure, this is my affiliate link. So if you do go to that link and end up buying ClickMagick and you like it, I'll probably get a commission for that. If you don't want that to happen, that's fine. You can just go directly to ClickMagick's website and to get your free trial. But hopefully you can pay it forward. You know, for me providing this information and helping you how to set this up, I've provided enough value and information to help you in your own journey, and you won't mind helping me and pay it forward. But this ClickMagick works in the background of your business, okay? You're not going to see it on the front end. People aren't going to see it. They're not going to really be knowing that they're being tracked in some way, okay? And so again, we're going to be using ClickMagick to live demo this, and we're going to be demonstrating using two different funnel building platforms, okay? So again, we have those capture pages. We have those thank you pages, right? Those are websites. So we need some type of website funnel building, software to be able to create those websites, right? And again, there's lots of different platforms out there that you could be using to create your websites. I'll be demonstrating with my two favorite and what I use personally in my business, which is ClickFunnels and the HBA Funnel Builder. So I'll be showing you how to set this up with both of these builders. There's more information on these funnel builders in the description below if you want more information on those, okay? All right, so let's go to the internet here, and we're going to go to ClickMagick's website because it all starts here in ClickMagick. We need to set up what's called a conversion tracking pixel that we put on the thank you page of our funnel. All right, so in ClickMagick, and again, if you're using some other link tracking software, it's going to have something similar. You just have to find where you set up the conversion tracking, okay? And so in ClickMagick, we're going to go up here to Tools, and then we're going to come down here where it says Tracking Pixels, and then select the Pixel Builder. Okay, so this will take us into the Pixel Builder. It'll be defaulted to show just these basic settings, and you can specify what you want tracked. We're going to leave it at actions, but you can also track other engagements and sales. But for this demonstration, we're going to use actions because we just want to track the action of somebody putting in their email address, hitting submit, and going to the thank you page. I could put an optional reference value in here if I wanted to, but I'm just going to leave that blank. And then these other settings are recommended that you just keep the same too. You just do the last click. So the last click of this conversion tracking pixel would, and where they end up, that's how it would track a conversion. So it's already set up for me, so I actually just need to come down here and copy my conversion tracking pixel right here. Okay, so I'm just going to copy that to the clipboard. And so I'm going to show you how to set this up in ClickMagick, or sorry, in ClickFunnels first, and then we'll do the HBA Funnel Builder separately. So in ClickFunnels, I have these two opt-in, or this funnel, just this demo funnel for clicks and conversions here, has an opt-in page and a thank you page, right? So again, the conversion tracking pixel needs to go on the thank you page, because after somebody opts in and hits submit, they're going to get redirected to this page, and that's when the pixel will fire and it will trigger that conversion. So I need to select the thank you page here, click on Edit Page, and then once I'm in the editor for the thank you page, I come up here to the left and click on Settings, and then choose Tracking Code. Now in ClickFunnels, they have two options for header and footer code. You need to put the conversion tracking pixel in the footer code. So you need to select Footer, click here, and then just paste in the code. So now that I have the code in, I can close out of this little window. I can hit save, and it's going to update. Okay, so I can exit out of this page over here on the left, and now to test this out, I need to set up a tracking link. Okay, so I'm going to set up a tracking link that will direct me to go to the opt-in page. Okay, so I'm going to select the opt-in page. I'm going to take the website address for this opt-in page and copy that, because that's where I want to get redirected to. So back here in ClickMagick, I'm going to come up here to the menu and click on Links, and click on New Link, and I'm just going to call this 01 ClickFunnels Demo. Okay, so that's the name of the link. To set up the tracking link, you can use a domain name. So it comes with a free domain name that ClickMagick gives you. I have some custom ones I've set up in here as well. So I'm going to use one of my custom ones. And then I put a slug at the end. This is what comes after the domain. So I'm just going to do cfdemo1. And then right here on the primary URL, this is where I put in the opt-in page website address. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on create the link. And now I have this link here that's created called 01CFDemo. So if I want to test it out, I'm going to open the link. Here's the link right here. So I'm going to get this tracking link. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to open up a new tab or window. And I'm going to go directly to that link like I'm clicking on it. All right, so I'm going to paste it in the address bar in my browser, hit enter, and it should redirect me to the opt-in page, which it does. All right, so I'm going to put in my name and email address here. I already have it in here, so I'm just going to use what's in there, and then I'm going to click on Get This Now. And it should redirect me to the thank you page, which it does. Okay, so that is all we need to do to test it. So to see if it actually worked and what is being tracked, we're going to come back here to ClickMagick. And you can see on this page it has zeros across the board here. There's nothing that's being shown up yet. So I need to refresh this page. And now you can see that I have one total click, one unique click for my test, and one action. That means one person opted in. So I have a 100% opt-in rate on this demo, right? So that tells me that it worked and everything is set up correctly and it's tracking what I need to track. All right, so that is how you perform this action in ClickFunnels using ClickMagick. So let's go to the HBA Funnel Builder. Okay, so here's the HBA Funnel Builder. This is a new kind of funnel builder that I've been using for the last little bit. I'm really liking it. In fact, I think I might switch to it full time, but anyway. So here I have an opt-in page that I'm going to be using, and then I have a thank you page. Oops, yeah, thank you page here that we'll be putting this conversion tracking pixel on. So I need to get that conversion tracking pixel again. So I'm going to come back here to ClickMagick, go to Tools, and then I'm going to go back down here to Tracking Pixels, select the Pixel Builder, and again, everything is set up default as I'm going to need it. So it's already built here. I'm just going to take this tracking pixel, copy it to my clipboard, come back here to my HBA Funnel Builder. So I'm going to select the page that I want to put it on, which is the thank you page, right? So if you are an HBA Funnel Builder user, you have your different pages over here. You can also access your different funnels here and select the page. So I'm going to select the thank you page I'm using. And then I'm going to click on Settings, Funnel Settings on the left right here. And then I'm going to select Custom Code. And then I'm going to select Page Head Markup. And then I'm just going to click in this black box and paste. And I put in that code. And now I save it. There we go. So that's all I need to do. So it's saved. So now I need to set up a tracking link that will take people to this opt-in page and just test it like I did with ClickFunnels. Okay. So here's the website address for this one. So I'm just going to open that up, get the website address for that. And then I'm going to come back here to ClickMagick, come back to links, create a new link. This time I'm going to label it 02 HBA Builder Demo. I'm going to select my tracking domain that I want to use and put in the slug. So this is just be HBA Funnel Builder Demo 1. So that's going to be my tracking link, and then I'm going to put in the primary URL, which is the opt-in page that I'm using to test on this one. And then I'm going to create the link as well. Okay, so now I have this new demo link for this one. So I'm going to click on this demo link, get the actual tracking link here and copy that. And let's go test it out. Okay, so I'm going to pull up a new window in my browser, paste in the tracking link, hit enter on my keyboard, which will trigger it as a click. Should take me to my opt-in page, which it does. So let's opt in. Let's put in my name, put in my email address, and then I click yes, I want to apply for access, and it takes me to the thank you page. So here I am again. So now let's go check to see if it worked in ClickMagick. So come back here to ClickMagick, and I can see again zeros across the board, and refresh. And now you can see I have one unique click, one total click, and one action. So this one is working as well. So that is how you set up the basic tracking to track the number of clicks and how many are converting into a lead. So just remember though, when you're setting up a tracking link where you're actually going to be using it out there, like let's say I want to, put this, advertise on Facebook. So my tracking link would be unique to where I'm going to use it, right? So on Facebook, and I'd only use it for that, so I can track the exact number of clicks I'm getting from each traffic source and how it's performing. All right, so that is our demo, and I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in your own business. If you did, please subscribe. Just click that subscribe, set the notifications. I'm coming out with new content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Leave a comment below. Love to hear your feedback as well, and or if you have any other questions that I didn't answer in the video. And also, if you want to get my free book, there's a link in the description below that talks about the ultimate beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. And so you can learn more about building your own affiliate marketing business. So go ahead and grab your free copy and make it a great day, and never, ever give up on your dreams. Bye for now.